subtle vibrations, delicate and vulnerable things seem so powerless in the face of those beasts that shout loudly, that beat their chests, that create monster machines. I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. I am Quan Yin, with your brothers and sisters, the flowers. We speak of this over and over, the delicate nature of the flower, and those of you who have been drinking your hibiscus tea and using your flower vibrations and using your flower essences and your flower energies, your flower oils, your essential oils, your herbs, working with those flower natures in meditation, recognize their strength. Last month, you were given the tea of this time and of this season, the tea of hibiscus. Some of you looked up the properties. Some of you have been drinking the tea. Some of you have forgotten. Embrace the hibiscus now. See her furling flowers. See the stamen coming steadily forth from the center. And see the wonderful rippling petals of colors, of pink, of red, of orange. Feel the energy of the hibiscus and draw it in your consciousness. The energy vibration of the sun, the power of the earth sun, is in that tea. It is a very helpful tea when it comes to inflammation. Not only inflammation in the physical, but inflammation in the emotional, inflammation in the feeling body. Drink the tea. Take a moment of quiet to be with the divinity of the garden within your being. I am Quan Yin. Your brothers and sisters, the flowers, ask you to bring that vibration in. The cracks that are cracking open in the painful memories of the karmic energy that is vibrating through, this being that is moving into a position of leadership in your so-called government, your so-called country, this so-called president, as he is moving in, he is doing a great service for the movement and change of the planet. He is showing up all the energies that have been hidden, all the problems, all the concerns that had been pushed away from the desire to be peaceful, from the desire to be harmonious, from the desire to be comfortable and safe in your reality. This being is bringing forth a reality, and for that, if nothing else, you can begin to focus towards him compassionately. He is serving by bringing up to the surface these things, these poisons, to be transmutated, to be transformed. As they skirt around in disguise under the surface, nothing can be changed. As you come into your own center for transformation, as you see these things publicly, you will also be able to stand up publicly for those things that need to be brought into awareness, that need to be brought into wholeness. Practice compassion on this person that scares you the most. Practice compassion on these beings that you feel the most hurt by. Practice loving kindness, bringing the vibration of kindness into the world. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden.